Guys, I honestly don't know why I did that, so don't ask. This is from my friend, by the way. I already opened mine. I have gotten some new fidgets, and sorry for not posting. I've just been busy and haven't had the time. But I am going to show you guys my new fidgets today. So let's go to my room. Okay, I'm in my room. I'll show you all my new fidgets first, so let me show you those. Starting off with these, I got these at Target in the chocolate and roar section. They had, I think, 2 of these left, or maybe 3. They probably do restock though. I rate this a 9 out of 10. It is amazing. You can get this color or this like marble color, I guess. So 10 out of 10. So those were the first new 2 fidgets I got. So let's go to the next one. Next, I got this dimple fidget spinner from Shein. This is literally the best thing ever. Let me show you how good it spins. And then you can stop it and then press on the buttons. Amazing. 10 out of 10. Love it. On to the next one. Bad transition. Let's do that again. I'm not honestly sure if you knew about these, but I got these texture tangles from the Tic Tac toy shop. They're amazing. Love them so much. I don't remember. I was in like another country at the time, so yeah. Or state, not country. So yeah. Let's go on to the next ones. Me noticing that I don't have any more new fidgets. Me noticing I need to get new fidgets. Yeah, that was it. Yeah. I hope you guys liked today's video, and yeah, that was it. Wait, no, I wasn't in another country when I got these. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Anyways, yeah, that was the end of the video.